This morning, Judge Amy Coney Barrett back in the hot seat after she repeatedly told lawmakers she would not be an activist on the bench.
I have an agenda to stick to the rule of law.
Insisting she hasn't made judicial promises to anyone, including President Trump, but declining to say if she'd stay out of potential cases that could decide the November election.
Will you commit to recusing yourself from any case arising from a dispute in the presidential election results 3 weeks from now?
I certainly hope that all members of the committee have more confidence in my integrity than to think that I would allow myself to be used as a pawn to decide this election for the American people.
Barrett even declining to say how she would rule if the president tried to act on his suggestions he would try to delay the election.
If that question ever came before me, I would need to hear arguments from the litigants and read briefs. So, if I give off-the-cuff answers, then I would be basically a legal pundit, and I don't think we want judges to be legal pundits.
Barrett, who clerked for the late conservative Justice Antonin Scalia, faced questions about whether she agreed with his rulings on hot-button issues like abortion rights, guns, and same-sex marriage.
If I were confirmed, you would be getting Justice Barrett, not Justice Scalia.
The American people have to understand that you would be the polar opposite of Justice Ginsburg.
Barrett would replace the late Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg, a champion of abortion rights. Barrett declining to say whether Roe v. Wade represents a so-called super precedent, a case so settled there's no serious push to overturn it.
As Richard Fallon from Harvard said, Roe is not a super precedent because calls for its overruling have never ceased, but that doesn't mean that Roe should be overruled.
The last Democrat to question her, Joe Biden's running mate, Kamala Harris.
Would you consider the 135 million people who gained protections under the Affordable Care Act when deciding a case that challenges that law?
Senator Harris, if I were to be confirmed and conclude that I was able to sit on the case pursuant to the recusal statute, and then if I heard the case and decided the case, I would consider all the protections that Congress put in place.
Democrats believe that their strong focus on the Affordable Care Act, health care, is resonating with Americans with just 20 days left to Election Day. Craig.
Kasie, so as you mentioned there, today is the last day for these lawmakers to question Amy Coney Barrett. Any idea how they plan on using this hearing to make their final case?
So they all are very aware, Craig, that this is really their last chance to make a closing argument, and they'll have a little bit less time than they had yesterday. I would expect Democrats to follow up on some of those answers that Amy Coney Barrett didn't have about the election, the timing of it, the president's suggestion that he wanted to move the election, and any questions about a peaceful transfer of power in the event that's what we're facing after the November election, Craig.